Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. The Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. In this video, we remove the I/O daughter board, power switch, and the motherboard. Removing the I/O daughter board. Remove the single M2 by 2.5 screw and remove the fingerprint reader bracket from over the power button connector. Disconnect the power button with the fingerprint reader cable from the I/O daughter board. Unscrew the two M2 by 3.5 screws on the F-beam FPC connector and remove it from the system board. An F-beam FPC connector is a flexible printed circuit connector that is used to connect two printed circuit boards. F-beam connectors are highly reliable and offer a rare combination of outstanding signal integrity, power delivery, and a low profile. Remove the M2 by 2.5 screw that holds the board to the palm rest. Carefully pull and lift to remove the I/O daughter board from the system. To remove the power button, remove the two M2 by 2.5 screws securing the power button to the palm rest assembly. Lift the power button from its slot. Removing the motherboard. Disconnect the USH daughter board flat flexible cable from the motherboard. A USH daughter board in Dell laptops is a small circuit board that is used to add additional functionality to that laptop, like additional ports. In this case, it was used to add a smart card reader that we removed in the previous video. Disconnect the flat flexible cable leading to the LED status light. Remove the single M2 by 2.5 screw securing the system board to the palm rest assembly and the three M2 by 5 screws securing the Type-C USB bracket to the system board. Remove the motherboard from the system. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like if you learned something. Be sure and subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification to find out when we post our next video. Please find a local e-waste company to dispose of any batteries or electronic equipment that you no longer need.